In this video, I show you some free camping just outside of the Petrified Forest National Park in Arizona. I'm at the Crystal Forest Museum. They do offer free camping and they offer electric hookups if you want to pay a little bit of money. I'm going to give you an on-the-ground tour right now. We share the best camping locations in the USA.
Hi guys, we hope you enjoy the video.
Check out our RV and camping related gear at our Amazon storefront. Link in video description. When I say this free camping location is right outside of the national park, that's exactly what I mean, folks. This is the south gate to Petrified Forest National Park. This is Crystal Forest Campground. They have free RV camping. You cannot camp here in a tent. You have to be in an RV. There are some limitations, and I'm going to explain those to you. But dead center in your screen, this is the free camping area. I'm going to show you around. I'm also going to give you everything you need to know about this free camping location. So these are all free campsites right here. They're first come, first served, but there's a caveat. I'm going to explain the caveat here in a minute or two. But this is what the campsites look like. You get a picnic table. They're pull through. You can get your rig level. Yeah, pretty nice setup. Pretty nice setup. This is two free camping spots back in here. And all these are free camping as well, pull-throughs. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm counting 7 sites for the free camping. Around the other end is the gift shop. I just talked to the attendant in the gift shop. They gave me the lowdown on the camping here. Let me take you in front of the gift shop, and then I'm going to explain to you what you need to know if you decide to camp here. Crystal Forest Museum gift shop. So I have my assistant Melody with me today. This is the gift shop right here. When you come in, you just pull in and go inside the gift shop. And the reason you're going to want to do that is because they are members of Harvest Host. So even these free campsites right here, they'll reserve them in advance if a Harvest Host member has reserved a campsite. Otherwise, it's first come, first serve. So this is why you need to go into the gift shop and talk to the people before you set up shop in one of the campsites. But that's the building right there that you want to go in to obtain your free camping spot. Now, if you want paid camping, it's going to be across the street. And it's the same deal. If you're a Harvest Host member, you can reserve the electric hookups. I believe they're 30, 50 amp electric hookups. We're going to go over and verify that right now. There's a couple other things that you need to know about this camping location. So this is the main road out in the front here. When you come in, you're going to be coming in this way, straight into the park. Off to the right is going to be the free camping. Off to the left is going to be the paid camping with electric hookups. There is no potable water here. The water has sulfur in it. It's non-potable. And there's no dump station, and there's no sewer hookups. So you need to be aware of that. So if you're paying for the electric hookup camping, that's all you're getting is the electric hookups in your campsite. Let's go check out the electric hookups. So you can see the sign over in this lot. It says RV parking only with electricity, no cars, trucks, or tents. And here are some of your campsites. They're numbered. I see 9, number 10, number 8. And so it looks like they got quite a few electric hookup sites. Let's go back and check number 9 out since it's right here. Now, if you're a Harvest Host member, you can reserve these in advance. So they're really taking care of the Harvest Host folks. Melody and I had dropped Harvest Host. It really wasn't working out for us the way we camp. And they got them locked. So I'm gonna have to go back in and ask them whether there's 50 amp here. It doesn't look like it would be 50 amp, but I'm gonna go ask them. But they're all locked up, so I guess after you pay for your site, then they'll come out and unlock your box. This is what your campsite looks like. They're back in, and then you can drop your rig and hopefully go see Petrified Forest National Park, which is the southern entrance is just around the corner here. So as far as convenience goes, you can't beat it. And if you're wanting free camping, you really can't beat that either. It's a pretty good deal they got going here, but there are some other things that you need to know. So here on the other end, this is what your electric campsites look like. This is campsite 1, campsite 2, campsite 3, campsite 4, and then you have another one on that side. So Crystal Forest Museum and Gift Shop has been on my personal camping map for quite some time, folks. And so here's a few things you need to know. First of all, there is no cell service here. That's going to be important to some people. So the other thing is there's nothing out here on this highway besides the gift shop. And they lock those gates. There are certain hours that park's open. I think it's 8 to 5. And outside of those hours, those gates are locked. So Melody and I did not want to take Milo, our Australian Shepherd, toy Australian Shepherd, into the park during this visit. So I had intended to stay at Crystal Forest Museum for the electric sites. But when I called in to see if I could reserve one, or if to get a gauge on whether one would be available, they had informed me that Harvest Host members get first dibs. So, in fact, Harvest Host members can reserve those electric sites in advance, way in advance. So, they're catering to Harvest Host. And I wanted the electric sites. I called a few days in advance. I didn't want to take the chance of not getting one of the electric sites. So Melody and I were down in Holbrook at a full hookup campground. It would be, the campground I'm in would be our top pick for if you want a full hookup campground while you're visiting Petrified Forest National Park. And the other thing about Holbrook is you have all your support facilities there. You have a Maverick gas station, you have a Safeway grocery store, you have a KOA where you can dump your tanks and get fresh water, from what I understand. They also have a free dump station at the Maverick. No fresh water, but they do have a dump station at the Maverick station in Holbrook. Melody and I, in fact, we're camped down there right now. I've done another video on Petrified Forest National Park, and in that video we give you our top pick for full hookup RV camping if you're going to visit this national park. So if you're interested in that, you can just click on this video right here. I hope you got something out of the video, folks. That's why I make them.